Hello everyone. Now we will be adding or subtracting rational algebraic expression with similar denominator. So mag-plus ta, no, add or mag-minus ta og mga rational algebraic expressions pero similar denominator, no. We will have different video for not similar denominator. Okay, let's start. So how do we add? So to add or subtract rational expressions with similar denominators, no? Similar denominators, simply add or subtract, depende on sa given, add or subtract the numerators. So katong number sa taas of the rational algebraic expressions and copy the denominator, no? Given that the denominator is not equal to 0, so that means it could be if we have a over b plus c over b, meaning para sila denominator lay og numerator kay similar man o basta similar pareha og denominator. Simply i-add ang numerator, that will be a plus c, and then divided by ang denominator, i-copy lang b. Kung sa ilang denominator, that would be b. Okay, or minus ka, a over b minus c over b. Similar man ilang denominator, parehong denominator, that will be ang numerator, i-minus a minus c over, copy the denominator, b. So, example. Example, 3/5, 3 over 5 plus 1/5. So you can see, pareha sila og denominator. So similar sila. So buhaton, i plus, kay plus man eh, i plus ang numerator, so 3 plus 1 divided by, i-copy ang common na denominator which is 5. And then, evaluate. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 5. So that means 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5 is 4 over 5 or 4/5. Wala lang. For another example, we have dito sa minus 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7. So, similar fractions, kay pare sila denominator na 7. So, ang buhaton, kay minus man ni, i-minus ang numerator. So, 5 minus 2. Divided by, i-copy ang denominator, kay similar, so we have 7. So, 5 minus 2 is 3, and then, copy 7. Okay, kung dili na ma-simplify, wala na common factor, mo na ang final answer. Pero pag na-apply common factor, i-simplify pa siya. So, mo ni 3 over 7 ang answer. Okay, now we will try rational algebraic expressions. Similar. Okay, we have 3x plus 2 divided by or over x plus 5. And then plus ang siya og 4x over x plus 5. So as you can see, pareha sila og denominator x plus 5. So meaning, similar fractions sila. So what would be the answer? So follow ta ato, i-copy ang mga numerator. Asaan yung mga numerator? Kani, i-plus, i-add, no? Kaya addition man na siya. So we have 3x plus 2 and then plus 4x. Then divided by, you copy the common denominator, diba, i-copy na to x plus 5. After that, i-simplify na to, or yes, itong i-simplify, i-combine ang mga similar terms. So, sa similar terms diri. So, sa numerator natay 3x and 4x. So, ato na sila i-combine. Addition man na. So, we have atong i-combine. That will be 3x plus 4x is 7x. And then, plus 2. Kaya wala may kasimilar si 2. Over, copy the denominator. So, kung tanawon na to, wala na may common factor ni sa numerator ug denominator. So, muna ni ang iyahang sum. No? Muna ni ang answer sa 3x plus 2 over x plus 5 plus 4x over x plus 5. Next, another example. Okay, we have 5r plus 2 over r plus 4 minus 10r over r plus 4. So as you can see, pareha sila og denominator na r plus 4. So similar ilang denominator, we will follow the rules. Since minus man ni, so that means i-minus na to ang mga numerator. So we have 5r plus 2 minus 10r over, i-copy ang denominator na r plus 4. After that, ato pang naapamantay similar terms diri sa taas sa numerator, ang 5r ug ang 10r. So 5r minus 10r, ato pa na siyang i-combine. So we have the final answer would be 5r minus 10r is negative 5r. Then copy plus 2 over r plus 4. Okay, so wala na may common factor. So, dili na mag-simplify. This is now the difference. Muna niyang answer sa pag-subtract na to aning duha ka expressions. And that would be all. Simple.